Sorry, Sergeant Morales.
Yes, Sergeant Morales. My name is Mr. Kamal, and I'm not sure if we've spoken previously, but I contacted your office a few months ago about a case involving a young woman named Margie Alanis. Maybe you don't recall.
Doesn't ring a bell.
In any event, she had a complaint about an officer who was formerly employed by your department, Lawrence Diamond.
Yes,
Okay, and we got a call back from a gentleman, and I'm sorry I don't have his name handy, but someone from your office called and said that they would look into starting an investigation, at least to answer some questions Miss Alanis had, because at the time he was employed by your department, and she wants something done about the incident that she experienced. So, if I could, is there a fax or email number I can send this to, her complaint at least, and have someone look into it and contact her about the complaint?
Well, actually, she would have to be the one to make the complaint, first of all. And then, second of all, since he's no longer an employee, we don't, Internal Affairs doesn't investigate, former employees. We only investigate employees that are currently employed with the department. Once
Okay.
they leave the department, they're not under our jurisdiction anymore.
Okay. His
I mean, if
conduct.
she has any questions as far as the case that happened against her,
Mhm.
if it's a criminal case, she would contact the investigator who's handling that case.
Well, the criminal case against her was thrown out, so there is no case. And in terms of the not investigating former employees, the reason we're asking your office to investigate it is because there will be evidence and information that only your sheriff's office would have access to, like where he was, what he wrote in his reports, those sorts of things. I can obviously go to the FBI or some other outside agency, but that's the next thing I'll do. But my question is, are you telling me that you don't investigate past employees is there a policy that says that, or is that a,
Yes, yeah. The reason that we investigate, the whole reason that we investigate is for the administration to take some type of disciplinary action against the employee. Our investigations only result in administrative action taken against the employee.
I got you.
Yeah, we don't investigate criminal cases, so we don't. That's why we don't investigate people that aren't employees, because the administration can't do anything to them.
I see what you mean. Well, then who would be the next in order in your jurisdiction with oversight that would provide for the circumstances I've described? Meaning a past employee who's a former cop who was doing obviously other things that were not right, and this person.
Well, whoever did the investigation originally, while he was an employee, I mean, the investigation probably resulted in him getting terminated, and then that was the end of our investigation. But what would have to happen, I would imagine, is an attorney would have to file, I guess, a Freedom of Information Act request to get the records, from our investigation.
Yes.
And then get, work it from there.
Okay, let's. That would be great. That's actually what I'd like to do. Can you give me the fax or email contact for your records division?
Let me see. One second. I don't know what the fax number is, but I can give you the phone number.
Okay, perfect.
I'll give you their fax number and email.
Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you.
335-6201.
6201. Okay, perfect. And that's area code 512?
Area code 210.
I'm sorry, 210. I apologize. Okay, excellent. All right, sir. I think I have just one additional question. Now, he was he terminated from your department, or do you know?
As far as I know, he was, yes.
Okay. And who would be the local county prosecutor in your jurisdiction that would handle basic criminal casework?
Well, we have a number of prosecutors. I mean, it depends what case. I mean, really, once the DA takes the case, they can assign it to a number of different prosecutors. I mean, we have prosecutors for each court.
Okay. So I can just that's fine. I can get information to get that what I need. Okay. Well, thank you so much. I'm going to contact Miss Alanis, and if she wants to contact you, can she talk to you directly?
Yeah. Yeah, and really, as far as any information that's going to be given, they probably won't give it to you. They have to give it to her.
That's
You know,
that,
as
no.
far as any details or.
Oh, right. Actually, I don't have any problem with that. But I know that she wants some answers, and if I can tell her to call you directly, that will satisfy at least one of the things I'm required
Yeah,
to do.
that's fine.
Okay, perfect. Okay, sir. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. And
Okay,
is it Sergeant Morales?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Bye.